Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to create automated charts. Those charts which gets updated as soon as we add new data. So let's look at the problem that we are trying to solve. That is the scenario that we are doing generally when we are working on Excel. So I have a data set here. I have temperature as per dates in the month of February 2010. I need to see the trend line, so I will add a line chart here. So I'll go to insert. I'll add a line chart. I'll format the axis to text. Now 1 month goes by and I get another data set for the month of March. So what I have been doing till now is I select that data, copy that data and add that new data to the master table. Oh sorry, I'll just go back again. And then to update the chart, I extend the selection to the latest data. Again, I get another month data. I do the same process. I copy it, I paste it to my master table, and then I again extend the selection of my chart. This process is okay when we are working with small data set, but when we are working with large data set, this method becomes error prone. So to automate this process, what we need to do is first we create a line chart with the data set that we have. So I'm going to select the data. I'm going to go to insert and going to add a line chart again. I'm going to change the format axis to text. Now before we add the new data, we have to create two custom formulas that refers to each source column, that is date and temperature. For doing that, I'll go to formulas, I'll go to define name, and then I will name it as the name of our source column. So I will name it as temp here. The refers to which will take the formula, I'm going to add an offset function. The first argument will be the starting point of the formula. So the starting cell will be the first cell of our source column, that is B1. The second and third arguments will be 0 because we do not want our selection to move anywhere in the data set. The fourth argument will be a count a function. So count a function is a function that counts the number of non-blank cells. So I'm going to type in count a, and then I'm going to give a range so that it covers my entire data set. I'm going to close the bracket and I have created one customized function. I'll do the same thing for date. I'll go to define name. I'll click date here. I will type in an offset function. The starting point will be the first cell of that source column, so it will be A21 in this case. Second argument will be 0. Third argument will also be 0. Fourth argument will be count a, and then again I'm going to put a range till 40 because it is going to cover my entire data set. So when you're working with a large data set, try to cover the entire range of that column. I'm going to close it and I'm going to press OK. Now I have the formulas with me. Now what I have to do is I have to go on to the chart. I'll right click on the chart and select data option here. When I'm here, I'm going to click on the legend entries. I'll edit it, and in the series value we will remove the range after the name of the sheet and exclamation mark. We are going to remove the sheet and we are going to put in the name of the formula that we created, that is temp, for temperature source column. So we put in temp and press OK. Similarly, in the date column or the axis labels, we are going to edit it and we are going to remove the range. I'm going to put in the formula name that we created, which is date, and remember it should be after the name of the sheet and exclamation mark, and we'll press OK. Again we'll press OK. So now if I'm adding a new data, so if I add March data, I see that my chart is automatically getting updated. This is a very useful method to remove redundant work and when you're working with large data sets. I hope you learned something new today. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. and happy learning.